Hello, everyone. Good to be back here again. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. Yes, it's awesome. And of course, we're here to give you the most trending, exciting, reliable, and authentic happenings right here. And we have something very interesting for you. And guess what? It is breaking news. And it's also revealed why Aisha Buhari returned to Nigeria 6 months after she left for Dubai and has returned to Nigeria. Anyway, guys, I'll bring you more details about all of this, but please, if you have not subscribed, please ensure you do so right away and also give this video a thumbs up. Yes, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get updated anytime we drop a new video. Remember that the wife of the president was out of Nigeria for a very long time and she returned about few days ago, and good to know why she returned, and nobody actually knew why she left, but good to know why she also returned. Now, I'm very sure you want to know this very interesting story right here, but please ensure you stay tuned to the end and share and like our videos. Okay, right here it has been revealed why Aisha Buhari returned to Nigeria. The return of the Nigeria's First Lady Aisha Buhari to Aso Rock Villa from the United Arab Emirates last Thursday was partly due to the ailment of a top member of the cabal in President Muhammadu Buhari's government, Maman Daura. Daura has long been viewed as the leader of a powerful cabal or powerful kitchen cabinet alleged to have hijacked the Buhari presidency since he came to power. It was learned that from presidency sources that 81-year-old Daura, who is Buhari's nephew, is now partially paralyzed on the left side and managing his health presently in Kaduna. It was further gathered that the First Lady returned to the country believing that Aso Villa was more secured with Daura out of the way and managing his health away from the State House. It was learned that with Daura out of Aso Villa and less active, the power tussle in the villa would be reduced and the place would be more conducive for her, although she still has a young man, Shaibu Alas Tunde Idiagbon, to contend with. Aisha Buhari returned last Thursday after spending about 6 months in the UAE. Buhari reportedly made her last known public appearance in September 2020 during the wedding of her daughter Hanan. Since then, she had conspicuously been absent from government activities and also stopped posting on social media platforms. Maman Daura is sick. He is partially paralyzed on the left side and managing his health in Kaduna State. It is partially the reason Madam returned from Dubai, because with the man out of the villa and less active, she knows she can take on Tunde Shaibu. She feels more secured, the source stated. It was gathered that in December 15, 2020, that the First Lady had been in Dubai since September after the wedding of her daughter. It had also been reported that the First Lady was not in a hurry to return, despite now spending over 5 months, as she reportedly stated that the Aso Villa was not secure for her family. This is especially with a shooting incident which occurred in June 2020 and caused some panic among occupants of the villa. The First Lady and Daura's daughter Fatima had an altercation in the villa in October 2019, which was videoed by the latter and later went viral. The First Lady had admitted that she was angry in the video and went overboard because the Dauras were becoming overbearing in the villa. Fatima had also accused the First Lady of attacking her at the villa. In a reaction to the video, Aisha had said Maman Daura's daughter Fatima laughed at her and mocked her inside Aso Rock. During an interview with BBC Hausa, Aisha explained the circumstances behind the video, saying, "I was the one in that video, and this person you see standing at my back are my security personnel. It was Fatima, the daughter of Maman Daura, that shot the video in front of my security and everybody there. She was actually recording the whole thing right in front of me and was laughing and mocking me. They did that because my husband sacked them from the house. He told them to get all their belongings and leave the house for my son Yusuf to occupy. I left them and wanted to get to one of the rooms but they prevented me from getting through. I left them and took another way, yet I met the store locked. Wow, Aisha Buhari must have been going through a lot from these guys, because you can imagine what she was explaining, that the Aso Villa was not safe for her. That was why she had to move away from Nigeria to go stay in the UAE, where she would have peace of mind. But really, I think as the number one citizen of Nigeria, you have to keep some things out of the public hearings, because the Dara's daughter, they are not the one in power. You are the one in power, and whatever goes wrong is going to come back to you. Nobody knows who Dara's daughter is. As much as she caused a lot of trouble right there, nobody still knows who she is. They just know she's Fatima and she's Dara Mamon's daughter. So really, I think just as she traveled for some time, I think it is best. And also, Mamon Dara is also very sick, and on the sick bed right there, said he's paralyzed on his left side. Well, my own prayer is that for every leader who has made Nigerians to suffer, they will all suffer stroke. Yes, that is my prayer, because Nigerians have not known peace for some time now. And he who is trying to take away the peace of Nigerians, the person will suffer and have a painful death. The person will not just die, the person will have a painful death. Yes, and Aso Villa is supposed to be a safe haven for the first lady, but unfortunately, right from the beginning of the administration of Buhari, he has not actually given the wife a comfortable place that she can say this is the office of the first lady. Remember, he said there's nothing like the office of the first lady, pretending to be fighting corruption just because they want to cover up some things from the first lady, because they know she might likely open up some things that they are covering. They said there's no office for the first lady, and they just try to take her out of the way so that she will not be involved with some of the underground things that will be going on in that Aso Villa. You can trust me on this. I know there are things that they are keeping away from her that they don't want her to get involved with. That is why they said there's no office for the first lady. And when she even tries to correct the president the other time, what did they end up telling her? He told her that she was meant for the other room and also for his kitchen. That is his own belief and thought about women and the wife that he marries. It's so painful that if he could treat his own family that way, how much more Nigerians? That is why Nigerians are suffering and going through a lot in this very present administration. But well, my dear people, we believe at the end that God will intervene in all of this. So guys, thank you so much for listening. Whatever you have to say about this, please drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.